In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a TJ Maxx gift card. Whether you're picking up a last-minute present or planning ahead, this walkthrough will make the process simple and stress-free. First, decide where you want to buy. You can head to a TJ Maxx store and speak with the cashier or the customer service desk. That's often the fastest way to get a physical card in your hands. Officially, TJ Maxx gift cards are sold in-store and through select retailers, so if you'd rather shop online, stick to trusted names. You'll find TJ Maxx gift cards at select large retailers like Kroger, Walmart, Target, and Best Buy, and many of them offer both digital and physical options. Once you're on a retailer's site, use the search bar and type TJ Maxx gift card to pull up the correct product page. Double-check that the listing clearly says TJ Maxx so you know you're choosing the right brand. Next, pick your format. If you want something that arrives quickly and can be forwarded or printed, choose a digital e-gift, which sends a redemption code by email. If you prefer something tangible to tuck into a card or gift bag, select a physical plastic card. Choose the amount. Common denominations are $10, $25, $50, and $100, and many retailers let you go up to $500. Think about the occasion and the recipient's shopping habits when selecting the value. If you're buying online, click Buy or Add to Cart, then proceed to checkout. For digital e-gifts, you'll be asked for an email address. Enter it carefully since this is where the code will arrive. For physical cards, provide a complete shipping address or note if in-store pickup is available. Select your payment method. Most retailers accept credit and debit cards, and many also support PayPal. Payment options can vary by store, so choose what works best for you. After payment, you'll receive your gift card. Digital cards are typically sent instantly to the email you provided, sometimes within a few minutes. If it doesn't appear right away, check your promotions or spam folders just in case. Physical cards are mailed to your address or can be picked up in store, depending on what you chose at checkout. And that's it. Your TJ Maxx gift card can be used at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, HomeGoods, and Sierra stores.